Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you how to disable automatic driver downloads on Windows 10 so you can stop Windows from installing drivers automatically. Step 1. Right-click on the Start menu and select System. This opens the main system settings where you can manage your computer's configuration and get access to advanced options. It's the first step to control how Windows handles driver updates. Step 2. Click on Advanced System Settings. This option is located on the right side of the system window and allows you to access deeper settings that affect hardware and performance. It's important because we need to adjust how Windows installs drivers. Step 3. Go to the Hardware tab. Here, you'll find options related to your computer's devices and drivers. This tab is essential because it controls how Windows interacts with hardware components. Step 4. Click on Device Installation Settings. This opens a small window that lets you choose whether Windows should automatically download and install driver software for your devices. This step is key to preventing automatic updates. Step 5. Select the option No. Your device might not work as expected. Choosing this option stops Windows from automatically downloading drivers, giving you full control over which drivers are installed. It's recommended, especially if you use limited data internet. Step 6. Click Save Changes and exit. This confirms your settings and ensures that Windows will no longer automatically install or update device drivers. After this, you can manually install drivers as needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.